Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. What am I sitting on? My TV remote. Today I have this oversized denim jacket. I bought this for my boyfriend for Christmas. It's like a reference to the bear. Super fun. That's one of the characters' businesses on the back. And he loved it, but he needed a bigger size. So I am keeping this one. These jackets are great, they're super comfortable, and I do love the bear, but I want to make this into something that I think I'd be able to wear a little bit more. If you want this jacket with the original, like, matter-of-fact supply, I will link the Etsy shop that does this in the description. It's great quality, great job. Again, want to make it a little bit more me, so I think we're gonna put on some pink, some lace, make this very girly denim jacket, and hopefully I will get some more use out of it. I'd really like to do like a bow on the back. We'll have to see if we can work that out. I'm trying to de-stash my fabric and like get through as much of it this year as I can. So I've got this bit of lace, I've got some pink fabric I think in this chest in front of me, and yeah, we'll just see what else is around that we can find. Let's get started. This is like the perfect color, but it's taffeta. I'm hoping for like a pink cotton. Surprise! This is looking like the pinkest we're gonna get, and I need to use this up anyways. It's just been sitting around, so I think that'll do. Okay, I've basted the pink onto the back. I think it looks pretty good. It's not like baggy or saggy. Now I found some like fluffy lace that I want to put on as a trim around each of these seams, and I think we might do some bias tape over the top of that. I gotta go check my laundry real quick and then we will do this. How are y'all doing? I got a facial this morning, which I really needed because I had a very stressful weekend. But that's why I don't have any makeup on, which is weird for me. I love makeup. I wear it pretty much almost every day unless I'm sick. I just find it super fun to get to do a new look. Usually mine are actually pretty similar, but you know. But I had never gotten a facial before. It was cool. It was fun. Feeling like we're getting a little close to the end of this lace. I'm really hoping that we have enough to get all the way around the back, because I have no idea where I got this. I don't know if I'll do another one soon because they're expensive. I got to go do this one because Kate got me a gift card for Christmas, and I'm finally cashing it in, so that was really, really nice. We have not done any sewing for a while, and honestly, big part of that is because crochet is a lot easier to just like, one, do on the go, and two, do while I'm relaxing. Like, I can be watching a movie with my family and be working on a project, or over at Kyle's house working on a project. I crocheted at a baseball game this weekend, and that was super fun. But sewing, you have to have the machine. So I do have some ideas. I saw a really cute dress when I was at the mall yesterday, and I think I want to recreate that. But we'll get into that in a different video. And I need to start making some homeware items. I want to do like more oven mitts. I need an apron, so I'm gonna make myself an apron. I'm hoping those will be like cute fun videos and y'all will enjoy them. I'm gonna like lock in and concentrate, and I'll check in with you later. I hope you can hear me. There are crows outside and they're going crazy. But we've finished up the lace and the pink border for the back of the jacket. I love just how big this pink chunk is. And I think that's really fun. Now I think I don't have a lot more time before dinner is gonna start, so I think I'm gonna just put some lace around the cuffs and the collar, maybe just the collar, because the cuffs are really long and I like having long sleeves. I like being able to just sort of hide my hands in them when I'm cold, but I do think I will be probably rolling this up a bit. But if we have enough lace, I'll probably add it on. For embellishments, I know I have probably some more pink butterfly patches and maybe a big pink flower patch, and I want to put those on, maybe the flower on the sleeve. And we gotta do like a really big bow on the back. We did the pink around the collar as well because I thought my stitching was too messy and I wanted to cover it up, and I'm fine with that. And then we also added just some lace on these little pockets. Yeah, I had these 2 chunks of lace that were too small to do the cuffs, so I thought that that was like a good way to incorporate a little bit more fluff and floof. Right now this is giving me like, I want it to be giving like something Sailor Moon would wear, and at the moment it's giving me not that, but there's always a point where the project is ugly and we're just gonna keep going. This is good progress. I'm glad we got some stuff done. Hello, hello. I think it's time for some bows. So I have just made a bunch of little rectangles and I'm gonna turn these into bows, and then we're gonna have one really big one on the back. What I'm gonna do is do a running stitch at the middle and then pull it tight so it's ruched like that. We're gonna put the, it's so hard to see right now, put the strap around it so that it makes a bow, and then we'll stick those on the front and the back of the sweatshirt, the jacket. I'm not sure if that's gonna be it. We'll definitely put lace on the cuffs. Let's see how it looks as we go along. This is what I'm talking about. All scrunched up in the middle. It looks like a pasta. I can't remember what kind of pasta this is, but now I'm going to take this little guy and wrap it around this bow, and it's gonna be a delicious little pasta. A delicious little bow. And I think it's gonna look so cute. And I really love bows, and I love wearing like hair bows, and I have enough fabric to make them in every color to match outfits, but I just haven't taken the time to do that. So I think that might be an upcoming project. Does anybody have any interest in like how many bows can I make in a day? Would that be a vibe to anyone? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're working on any projects, crocheting, knitting, sewing, anything while you watch this, also let me know in the comments because I would love to hear about what you are working on. All right, let's make some bows. Look at this. This is the 3rd needle I have broken on this project. I don't want to work with denim again anytime soon. I think we're done. Or we could add more, but I think this is a good stopping point for now. I don't want it to get too silly. Oh, let me show you the back. It's a big bow. All of the bias tape I have on here, I need to whip stitch down, and I will do that eventually. But yeah, this is the project. Super chill, easy thing for this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. All of my socials will be linked down below in the description. Be brave and do your best.